Wolfbox has sent me their G900 Pro dash cam. So in this video, we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna show you exactly what's inside the box. I'm gonna show you the front, the rear camera as well, the install, and then of course the results. How good is this camera when we take it out for a drive later on in this video? If you're interested in this camera yourself, I'm gonna link it down below in the description and also in the pinned comment. Let me show you exactly what you get inside of this Wolfbox G900 Pro. What comes inside the box? First of all, beautiful 12-inch display for the camera. You can switch between the front camera, the rear camera with this one, 4K of course. The good thing about this is that I like personally is that there's no adhesive to attach it to the windshield like this. Instead, you have these rubber bands that you just put in the back here. You have two hooks. You put one on the top and then it just hooks around the existing rear view mirror right here. So you attach it like this. I'm going to show you how to install that in just a minute. Feels like it's a natural integration of the interior. You have the camera on the back here. We can remove this cover like that. And this is also, you can angle this in any direction you want to have the perfect angle for your front camera. Just a slick design that looks pretty good. And as I said, it feels like it's a part of the interior of the already existing rear view mirror right there. And then you also have, of course, the rear camera, which is a 2.5K camera, and that looks like this right here. You have these adhesive stickers, so if you want to take it off eventually, all you got to do is just remove the sticker and bring the camera off. Pretty solid looking camera right here. We can remove this sticker that's on the lens as well. I'm going to show you how to install this in a minute. Again, very long cable, meaning that you draw this cable from the back all the way to the head unit up here and connect the power right there. Very easy to do. If you want to make it pretty, you can tuck the cable in through the trim in the door panel right here, or the weatherproofing. Last but not least, you do have the GPS sensor, which looks like this, and this also has an adhesive pad on it. On the back right here, as you can see, this red patch, we just remove this sticker, put it up on the dash, and this will then record the speed, location, and a lot of data of your travel, so you have that in the app as well. When you download your videos, you're going to see all the data that you need. Last but not least, we do have one more thing, obviously, and that is a power cable, which is just a regular, 12-volt cigarette outlet cable. Looks like this. The good news about this, if you want to use this as a USB, you can, because you have a USB slot right here in the back. Now the app itself, when you download the videos to your phone, it's pretty fast, because unlike regular dash cams that has about 2.4 gigahertz, this one has 5.8, meaning that the download speed is going to be very, very fast, which is great. Of course, you don't want to sit forever and download the video. So with that said, let's install the camera. I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to install this Wolfbox G900 Pro. You also get this hardwire kit that you can plug in straight to the car's battery, giving you 24-hour surveillance even when the car is off. Alright guys, let's install the Wolfbox G900 Pro, and let's see what this is all about. So you have these straps here on the back, and you see the design of the camera itself. You have this, which you can angle in whatever direction you want. Once the camera is installed, you have these straps, connect them to the top here, and then all we gotta do is look at this. Just throw it over there and connect it to the bottom, and we have our camera installed, and that is how easy that was. Then you have the power cable connector up here for the front camera, and you have the rear camera connector right there. You can angle this in whatever direction you want. Of course, as I said, it looks like it's part of the interior. That is what I like about it, and the fact that you don't need to have a some sort of adhesive to the windshield, which makes it a lot cleaner in my opinion. Specifically, if you later on want to remove the camera, it's very easy to do that. So let's plug this into the power cable. We have the power cable right here. You have the USB on the back. It goes into the 12-volt power on the left side. Let's do it on this way, because I'm going to tuck this cable in a little bit in a minute. You can tuck the cable in, as far as you want to go. We have this tool to tuck in the cable, and now it looks a lot cleaner. Now all we got to do is install the rear camera. So we have this adhesive little patch, double-sided, just like that, and it fits perfectly onto this little platform. And now let's install this in the back. Now, last but not least, you do have this GPS sensor, which, as I said in the beginning, this one sends all the information to the app. You want to plug that in right here. Now, the first time you install this and power this up, it's going to ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi, and this is how you download all your videos and also get access to the live feed in your phone. It's very easy to do. The Wi-Fi is going to pop up in your phone and you connect it to it, and then you are all good to go. We have display mode, for example. We have front camera, rear camera, split screen if you want to have that. You're going to see that we have a split screen setup right now. We have the rear camera right there. To the right side, we have the front camera. On the left side, we also have voice command. For example, show front camera, show rear camera, turn off screen, turn on screen. It's pretty cool. I mean, you can change this as you're on the go and you don't need to fiddle around with any settings, which is great to see. And you have the power button down here. So if you want to turn this off completely, all you got to do is hold this button and it turns into a regular mirror. So you can use this as just a regular mirror if you want to. I also showed you this, right? We have this adjustable little feature here. The camera, you can adjust it up and down in this way, or you can adjust the entire piece like this. So you can definitely get a proper angle, exactly the angle you want for your camera. So let's take this out on the road and let's see what this is all about. So let's go for a drive and let me show you what this looks like from the front 4K camera, the rear 2.5K camera. I'm gonna zoom in on some details here as well so you can see exactly what's going on as we talk about some of the spec and tech of this G900 Pro camera. So it comes with an IMX678 sensor with 8 megapixel resolution for an enhanced daytime clarity. It can clearly capture license plates, for example, and scene details, even in low light, backlights, and other challenging lighting conditions. Now, when you download the footage, you do have this 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi with app connectivity. Very easy to connect the app. As I showed you before, you just connect it to the Wi-Fi that's integrated in the camera, connect your phone to the camera, go into the app and download the footage. Very, very easy to do. This is very fast, 5.8 gigahertz compared to the regular traditional 2.4 gigahertz or 2 megabyte per second. This increases that speed to about 8 megabytes per second, achieving a 4-fold improvement in speed. You also have this voice control, which I think is great because it doesn't require you to use your hand while you're driving. If you want to go to the rear camera, showed you that earlier as well, you just have to say to the camera, show rear camera, and boom, it's gonna show up. Doing some night driving now, and I wanted to speak into the mic of this Wolfbox G900 Pro so you can hear exactly what the sound quality is like, and this is what it's like. 12-inch touchscreen. If you happen to want to, use the touchscreen, you can still do that. You have split screen mode as well, so you can have both views in the camera itself. You got GPS tracking, of course. All the information, you see that down here in the corner of the videos as well, are inside of the videos themselves. This is very useful if you happen to be in an incident, for example, and you need proof of speed, where the location happened, and of course the video footage itself. Very useful to have all this information inside of the video itself. Now, if you want to, you can use the hardwire kit to connect it to your battery of the car. That means you got 24-hour parking mode. It provides continuous monitoring and records key footage, protecting your vehicle even when it's parked and completely off. Now, if you're interested in this G900 Pro yourself, as I said, I'm gonna link it down below in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And I want to say thanks to Wolfbox for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video.